Hey guys, so I wanted to do a quick video for you about an update on the pumping strategy and whatnot. As um, this video got a little bit more feedback than everybody else because crypto is hot. People are making a lot of money on it. It's getting a lot of new people into investing that don't really know what's going on. As do I. I don't know very much either. So initially, I made this video about the pump strategy, saying that it was great. Basically, I have a change of opinion on that. Unless you're part of some sort of an inner circle where you're going to get the calls soon and you're able to place the orders before it gets announced, then obviously it could be beneficial to you. I wouldn't suggest trying to jump in these pump strategies for any other reason, unless you're basically organizing it, because at that point they already have their shares. Then they announce it, and I'm sure they have limit orders placed to sell, and everybody else tries to rush in, probably buying with market orders, and basically they have their shares that they have at certain levels that they're going to sell, and as people come in, they buy those shares, and then you're left with the shares as the price goes down. So there is a chance that you're going to get in and be able to grab some shares and just scalp them quickly and get rid of them. But for the most part, I think it's high risk, and the organizers, sure, that's awesome. But if you're thinking about just getting into it, just be very careful about that. There's some other videos I saw about it. This I haven't watched yet, but it says scam.
This is a public service announcement about a Telegram group called Big Pump Signal. There's no pussyfooting around this, so I'm going to get straight to it. The whole purpose of this video is to educate people on the dangers of getting involved with these types of groups. For those that don't know, a pump and dump is when a group of people purchase a coin at a low rate, then get the word out via social media about its growth, and once their followers start to buy, the group organised dump their coins, ultimately leaving you with worthless coins. They lull you in by making it out that you would greatly benefit from this. However, the truth is that they rely on their followers on buying the chosen cryptocurrency. So they're actually profiting from their own people rather than random members of the public. The reason I've chosen to make a video about this particular group is because they seem to be gaining a lot of traction within the last few weeks, ending up on Reddit posts, Twitter, making fake social media accounts, in particular a fake John McAfee Twitter account, and it's shocking the amount of people that are actually falling for this. Now, cryptocurrency may be an unregulated market. However, I find this type of trading absolutely unethical and immoral. They're preying on the naivety of genuine people who are trying to make this a success, and it's shocking to see how many people are blind to what they are actually doing. So I wholeheartedly suggest that you share this video and let anybody you know who's already part of this group or are thinking about following them to stay well away. Right, so the Telegram group currently has got over 60,000 followers, and it's growing day by day, and over 120,000 on Discord. So the quicker we get the word out, the better.
Okay, so you get the gist of it. I would definitely agree with him. Michael Jones, great job. Some people, obviously, they're going to make money. Some are going to lose money, but it's not a manageable trade risk-wise, if you ask me. There's much better ways that you can take investments and be able to manage your risk better. It's not really a strategy that I would take if I were looking to make money. It's more of a gamble. It's kind of like a crapshoot, or almost like a roulette. You're not sure what you're going to do. If you buy into those, a lot of times the exchanges can't handle the instant volume that comes up. And same thing, just like the stock market. If a stock spikes so quickly where orders aren't able to get matched up, they'll halt the stock for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and pair up orders. And usually it'll, open wherever it opens based on the direction of the stock. cryptocurrency doesn't yet have those types of regulations on the exchanges, so they just, I'm not sure how they do it, but usually during pumps the servers get overloaded and you have no idea what they're going to do with your money. So something to keep in mind. I'm not currently in cryptocurrency anymore. I did okay on it. I took the money out. I've been investing it in other things, most importantly education as a trader. So my new videos are all going to be my day trading, stocks, recaps, because
hey guys,
I have a full strategy on what stocks to buy, why I'm buying them, based on a bunch of different criteria, and that's what I've been focusing on. So if you want to look into that a little bit more, check out the YouTube videos. It's going to be a long journey. It's not a get rich quick scheme. I've been doing this for about 6 months. Cryptocurrency, I guess I'd be considered a crypto baby. There were a lot of .com bubble babies that now are dominating the stock market just because during the .com you couldn't miss, just like cryptocurrency at November, December, January, you could not miss. I mean, whatever you put money into, it doubles, triples, sometimes 10x. So now that the market's kind of settling back down, you need to be a lot more educated. You need to have a strategy. You need to be able to manage your risk and have profit targets and, have a way to take money out of the market as the opportunities in the market present themselves. You can't just throw money in, shooting from the hip and expect to be profitable in the long run. And if you do that and you're just kind of guessing or however you want to do it, that's fine. If you're more of an investor, then you're going to be looking at the fundamentals of the companies a little bit more. So, a lot of people are doing that with cryptocurrency. They're investing in the long term. And, that's their strategy. So it all depends on what type of trader you want to be. Do you want to be an investor or a trader? If you're a trader, are you a swing trader? Are you an intraday trader? So there's a lot to be learned. I love it. I'm going to make this work. Been at it full time for 6 months, and I don't know a fraction of what I should know, but I sure know a lot more than I did last week and last month and 2 or 3 months ago. So I hope that I'll look back on these videos and just kind of chuckle at how much I didn't know that I think I know now. And I plan to do that for years to come. So it's a long journey. It's not the get rich quick, but it's a smart way of working. It's a hard, difficult route that not everybody can do. There's a high success. There's a high failure rate, but I do have a great mentor. I have great guidance. I have a proven strategy. So I'm not in the strategy development stage. I'm just in the strategy implementation stage, and now adjusting myself to the strategy and dealing with the psychological aspects of trading. But if you guys are interested about learning more in the stock market, message me, private message me. We have a Discord group now that we've started that everybody's learning how to trade the strategies. Some of them are already profitable traders, live trading, and there's a ton to be learned from them. And you know, I appreciate your time. Instead of watching this video, there's so many more videos with great content that you should be spending your time on. And you know, with that, send me a message and we can talk. All right, see you guys.